Yeah, I've been like really into self-improvement lately. Really focused on my craft. I've been booking birthday parties left and right. Between you and me, I think I'm gonna make a partner at my firm soon.
Oh, is that a mime?
I thought they got rid of all of them. Hey, can you pantomime some friends?
If you thought our first date was great, just wait. I knew you were gonna see that I'm a real high-value clown. I can juggle pretty much anything. Fire, chainsaws, live bees, if you know what I mean. You might be surprised, but I could even juggle one or two other girlfriends. Hey, was that a fake laugh? You know I can tell it when a girl is faking it. Come on, babe. You said you had a good time.
I did have a good time. I just want to have a good time elsewhere, alone, without you.
Oh, don't be like that.
Oh,
Does anything else honk?
disgusting! What is wrong with you?
What else you got? What did you do, you freak?
It's you. You saved me back there. I didn't get a chance to thank you. Did he hurt you? Don't worry, babe. My parents are gonna love you. It's okay.
Just a little warning would have been nice before you brought somebody of a delicate culture into our house so that I knew what to cook, I knew how to clean, I knew how to dress. Is this okay? Am I dressed okay for your friend?
Common courtesy, honey.
My friend? Mom, they are my partner.
Oh, please.
Here we go with that
Come
liberal partner stuff.
Don't look so glum. They'll come around, kid. You just gotta give them some time. Change is hard for a lot of people. They're afraid of new things. Doesn't make those new things bad. Just new. I like you. You're a good listener. Observant.
What's your emergency? Hello? 911, what's your emergency? I do. I'd rather live with the jesters under the bridge.
Oh, like you would last a day with the jesters.
I would pay to see that.
I would pay to see that. You know what this is? It's because we sent her to that public school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll go to that private one.
Yeah, I hate you.
Wait a minute. Dad?
And now we gather here today not to mourn, but to celebrate the life of Rick Greenshaw, father, grandfather, and carpenter who made the very coffin he is in now. And now we shall open up the coffin and say our goodbye.
deserve showing up here. Nothing to say for yourself? How convenient. Because of you, my grandfather's dead. All because you wouldn't talk. I never want to see you again. I'd say I never want to hear from you again. That goes without saying.
Hey there, champ. Yeah, I heard you broke up with your Basil. You seem pretty broken up about it, huh? Look, there's something I've been wanting to give you. Your grandpa gave me this letter when I was about your age.
What? But Grandpa couldn't write.
Yeah, he had his own way of communicating. I probably should have given this to you earlier, but I don't know, I was ashamed. Seems pretty stupid now. Yeah, I guess you never knew your great-grandma, huh? Let's just say that she was also the strong, silent type.
Really?
Look, I was wrong. Go get your mime, kiddo.
Thanks, Dad! Basil! Wait! I was wrong! I should have never let other people determine how I really felt about you. Please, can you ever forgive me? Well, say something.